The best bathroom faucets combine style, durability, and smooth performance, making them a key upgrade for any modern bathroom. Top options from brands like Moen, Delta, and Kohler offer sleek designs, water efficiency, and long-lasting materials. Starting at number 1, BWE Black Bathroom Faucet. The BWE bathroom faucet is designed for deck mounting and features a sleek, matte black finish that complements various transitional styles while resisting fingerprints and water spots. Made from durable stainless steel, this faucet ensures reliability with high-quality ceramic that has passed multiple water tightness tests, providing a smooth stream with a low likelihood of leakage. It boasts a unique waterfall spout that delivers a clear and steady laminar stream, enhancing the visual appeal of your bathroom. The faucet includes all necessary components for installation, such as a 6-inch deck plate, mounting hardware, and 2 standard G3/8 water supply lines, making it easy to set up without the need for a plumber. Please note that a drain assembly is not included. Number 2, Delta Faucet Haywood Bathroom Faucet. The Delta bathroom faucet is designed for coordinating use and features a chrome finish made from durable metal. It is a deck mount type with a configuration suitable for 3-hole 4-inch Centerset installations and includes a coordinating pop-up drain assembly. This faucet is equipped with 2 handles and is WaterSense labeled, meaning it uses at least 20% less water than the industry standard, helping to save money while maintaining performance. Additionally, it complies with the standards set by the Americans with the Disabilities Act, ADA, ensuring accessibility. With a lifetime limited warranty, you can install this faucet with confidence, knowing it is backed by Delta Faucet's commitment to quality. Number 3, Delta Modern Matte Black Bathroom Faucet. The Delta bathroom sink faucet is designed for quality and reliability, making it an excellent choice for your bathroom needs. It features a sleek chrome finish and is constructed from durable brass material, ensuring longevity. This single-hole faucet is versatile, fitting both 1- or 3-hole 4-inch installations, and comes with an optional deck plate that includes a gasket seal to prevent leaks and splashes. The ceramic valve cartridge is engineered for high performance, tested to last at least 500,000 uses, providing a smooth operation with minimal drips. Additionally, the corrosion-resistant Brilliance finish is designed to withstand extreme conditions, surpassing industry standards for durability. All Delta bathroom faucet finishes undergo rigorous third-party testing to guarantee they remain dependable over time without cracking, peeling, or changing color. Number 4, Peerless Centerset Bathroom Faucet. The Peerless bathroom faucet is designed for coordinating use and features a deck mount installation. It comes in a brushed nickel finish, which is not only stylish but also durable, ensuring it won't corrode, tarnish, or discolor over time. This faucet is suitable for 3-hole 4-inch Centerset configurations and includes a pop-up drain assembly and a matching finish, making it a complete package for your bathroom needs. With a single handle design and included components such as the faucet, handle, drain, and mounting hardware, installation is straightforward and hassle-free. Additionally, the product is backed by a lifetime limited warranty, providing peace of mind with your purchase. Number 5, Pfister Jaida Bathrooms Sink Faucet. The Pfister single-handle bathroom sink faucet is designed for bath use and features a sleek Tuscan bronze finish. It is a deck mount faucet made of durable metal and includes a waterfall spout for an elegant touch. This model, which requires only 1 hole for installation, comes with a variety of included components such as clips, a deck plate, gasket, handle, inlet adapters, and mounting hardware. One of its standout features is the push-and-seal drain system, allowing users to easily seal and open the drain without the need for tools, significantly reducing installation time compared to traditional pop-up drains. The faucet is equipped with Forever Seal advanced ceramic disc valve technology, ensuring a leak-resistant performance. Additionally, it is water-efficient, meeting or exceeding EPA WaterSense standards to help reduce water consumption by 30%, contributing to lower water bills and promoting conservation in line with CalGreen criteria.